He's got a little line of feathers going down here now, plus a few on his sides. Well, chin feathers too. Oop! Sorry. It's growing every day. Getting bigger and bigger. Such a cute little boo.